Hey, if your car goes click, 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 that's not music! That's your battery begging for retirement! Your battery sends power to start your engine. No battery, no vroom. If you hear slow cranking, or your lights look like a horror movie scene, congratulations! You're this close to calling a tow truck! Test your battery at an auto parts store. It's free. Or replace it every 3 to 5 years. If your car needs jumper cables every week, you don't have a car. You have a pet vampire. Subscribe Mechanic Cat's AI before your car leaves you stranded at Taco Bell.